Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Find My iPhone in iOS 26. If you're using iPhone and you want to turn off your Find My iPhone options, let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And once you have done, you just have to tap on your Apple ID, and here you will get the option of Find My. You just have to select that and then select Find My iPhone, and here you will get the toggle. You just have to disable that, and once you have disabled, you have to enter your Apple account password here. And once you have entered your Apple account password, you have to tap on the turn off option, and it will be turned off. Or if you are having any trouble here, so you have to try to change your Apple ID password, and then you can easily turn it off. So you just have to go back, and here you will get the option of sign in and security. Select that, and here you have to select change password and enter your iPhone passcode. And here you just have to enter a new password, then retype your new password, and your Apple account password will be changed. And after that, you can easily turn off Find My on your iPhone without password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.